Hey everybody, Heather from hookedonpickin.com. I just unboxed a clothing box I got from bulk.com and I'm going to tell you what I think I can make in the numbers. All right, so I've got all of the things. If you haven't watched my previous videos, you can watch and see what each individual item is under this pile. But I wanted to let you know this clothing box had 94 items in it. It's uninspected returns. I paid $104. Shipping was $30. Total worth with taxes and shipping was $138.02, which made each item $1.47. So let me do the breakdown for you. I lumped all the hats together because it's just going to be easier to give you guys a number. But I have 42 hats, which I believe that I can make. I'm being very, very, very conservative on my pricing. I think some hats are going to go for more than this. Some are going to go for less than this. Some of them I may not sell at all. But conservatively, I think I can make $3 a hat, which means I'm going to make $126 on just the hats alone. So there you go. Just on hats alone, I make almost all my money back. This beach bag, I believe I can make about $15 on that. It's in really, really nice shape and it's waterproof. This right here, I thought was a scarf when I initially pulled it out, but it's actually a kimono jacket, one of those sheer kimono jackets. So it's got armholes and everything, and you wear it like a jacket. I believe I can make $10 on that because of the patriotic theme to it. And then my scarves, I've got about 9 scarves, which I think I can make about $18 on, or sorry, 8 scarves, which I can make about $16 on. Then I have 6 pieces of jewelry. I think, to be honest, I can only make $1 a piece on the jewelry. And so those, you know, if you look at, I paid $1.47, you might look at it and say I'm losing 47 cents, but I make all the money that I can. Some things sell for less than my average. Some things sell for more than my average. I'm just looking to make a profit on the whole lot. This leather purse, I believe I can make about $15 on. My makeup bag is kind of a little bit, I mean, it looks nice on this side, but this side, there's some stuff on it. So if I can't clean it off, I can make $5 if I can get it clean. If I can't clean it off, it won't sell at all. This crossbody bag, they're super popular right now. So I'm going to make about $20, I believe, on that, maybe more. Now, everything that I'm giving you numbers-wise is very, very conservative. I usually price things on my Poshmark store a little bit higher than that because generally if someone on Poshmark likes my item, I shoot them a deal. But there is sometimes where people pay full price for it and I want to get full price for it. So I don't always shoot a deal, but to get things to move, that's sometimes how I do it. This watch, I believe I can make about $10 on, maybe more. This one, I believe I can make about $10 as well. And I believe that is it. Oh, kids belts and the adult belt. This one here, I probably won't sell just simply because it's got some scuffing on it. But the kids belts, I think I can make about $5 on. So in total, when I added up all the items, I believe, drum roll please, I can make about $240 on all of this stuff, which doesn't sound like a lot of money, but when you take away the $138.02, that's a profit about conservatively of about $102. I probably will make more than that, but I wanted to give you realistic numbers because as I have these things on Poshmark and eBay and other places longer, I will probably slowly lower the prices, and so I'm taking into consideration that the price may end up a little bit lower. So my total profit that I say on this lot is $102. The nice thing is it's not going to take me long to list it all because I've got tons and tons of multiples. I literally have some of these hats, like 10 hats and 6 hats and things like that. So it's not going to take me long to post it all. So hopefully that's been helpful on an uninspected returns. I was really pleased with the condition of a lot of this. Yes, some of the hats are smushed, but that's not going to take any effort to get them looking back to normal. I'll put extra padding in them when I ship them so that they don't get smushed in the process of me shipping them as well. So $102 of profit on this clothing box with 94 items in it, lots of multiples, uninspected returns. Hope this has been helpful. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.